Don't make boring PowerPoint slides like this. Let's try something fun and creative. Visit sketchfab.com. They have lots of really cool 3D models you can download for free. I'm going to use a 3D model of the Earth for this example. Download it in GLB format and insert into your PowerPoint. Make the Earth model bigger or smaller and turn it around to the angle you like. Right-click and go to Format Background. Pick a solid black color and click Apply to All. Duplicate the slide and spin the Earth model to show different parts of the world. Do the same steps for the other slides. Add a L shape. Fill it with white and set the transparency to 30%. Remove outline. Copy this shape and rotate it. Keep doing this until you make a frame that looks nice. Put the frame over the Earth model to point out the places. Last thing, choose all the slides and apply the morph transition. And you're all set. Follow us or more tutorials.